Hi, I want to show you one of the features of Legacy Launcher, and it's not a completely unique feature, but in ADW Launcher previously, if you chose to lock your launcher by pressing menu and then going to lock launcher, what would happen is that you would be able to drag icons from your app drawer, and it just wasn't fully implemented in free version. And if you actually owned ADW EX at the same time, you notice that he has fixed it in the paid version of the application. So Legacy Launcher has this fixed, and you notice that, well, I can't move things around at all when the lock is in place. And also, I've also implemented a password function, so that if you do not enter the password, it will tell you that it's wrong and it won't unlock. So what you want to do is enter the correct password and it will unlock as usual. And you can long press on items. Oops. Long press on items just like this. There you go. And it will allow you to remove, edit, all the good stuff. Now, to get to that function, you just have to hit menu, set up launcher, and you go into launcher lock. What you want to do is you want to set up the lock password. Now, pressing this will overwrite whatever password you originally had once you press OK. So my password was A before. Let's just say Q, and press OK. So my password has been set to Q. Now what I want to do, I can either enable lock here or I can go outside. So let's just do it here, just for the sake of showing you that it works. I'm going to back out, pressing back button. So now I'm back at my home screen or my desktop, and you notice that I cannot drag things around. And when I press menu, it will show me that it has been locked, and I can now have the option of unlocking the launcher. And when I choose unlock, it will ask for a password. Press A and tell me that it's the wrong password, and I have to enter the correct password to get back to any launcher settings. And also hides the other functions of editing the launcher, so you can't actually mess around with the launcher at all if you have it locked. So let's unlock it, and it's been unlocked. And in the case that you actually do accidentally forget your password, unfortunately, the only way to get around the password is to wipe the settings of this launcher. So easiest way to do that, on Android 2.3, you go into settings, applications, manage applications, and then you would choose Legacy Launcher, and you have a clear data button on Android 2.3. Now, this option is not available on all Androids. So in those cases, you might actually have to go uninstall it and reinstall the application from the Android market, which is more of a hassle, but this is what will get you around the password. So let's just show you quickly. Clear all data. So basically, the entire launcher's settings, including all the applications on the desktop, as well as any other settings I may have, are cleared. So it's just like a freshly installed application. So if I go to lock now, it won't ask me for a password if I go to unlock. Just like that. And there you have it, the locking function of Legacy Launcher.